This is your Weather Extreme video for Sunday, December the 14th. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters. Thanks for tuning in. And it's kind of an interesting morning across central Alabama. There's a look at the sky cam from Gadsden. We do have some patchy fog, especially north and east of the Birmingham area. And some low clouds as well from about Birmingham northward. We can see on the Birmingham sky cam that cloud deck that has pushed into the area overnight. We're still under a large high-pressure system that has settled in over the southeastern U.S. with the central high stretching from the central Kentucky area down to near Mobile. And the next weather system that produced all the problems out in California is moving across the southern Rockies, and that will be bringing us some wet weather for Monday, primarily evening and into early Tuesday. In the upper atmosphere, we've come under the ridge, and that will keep us at least a little bit warmer today, but I don't think temperatures across the northern section will warm up quite as much thanks to the clouds as we see the big low take place or taking shape out to the west. On the surface map this morning, we see that temperatures have fallen back, kind of a bit of a contrast because we do have mid-20s and lower 20s up in parts of northeast Alabama, but for the most part, like Tuscaloosa is 47, so 21 degree gradient across the area from Anniston to Tuscaloosa. That's kind of interesting, almost a mini cold front going on right there. On our watch warning map this morning, things are a little more active. We do have some dense fog advisories, the gray areas up there in the northern tier of the United States, and then the purple and pink areas are winter weather advisories. QPF-wise, rainfall is expected to come primarily Monday evening and into very early Tuesday. I think probably by at least by mid-morning Tuesday, the rain should be over, and I think probably half inch or less for most spots. Storm Prediction Center has no organized severe thunderstorms forecast for days 1, 2, or 3, but on day 1, there is a marginal area centered primarily on Oklahoma. All right, let's get to the modeling this morning from the 06Z GFS model run, and we do have a little bit of some changes going on. There's the ridge that will be keeping us in good weather today, and we see at the surface the high pressure is going to be holding its own across the eastern half of the country, but moisture is beginning to move up into Texas and Oklahoma ahead of that low that's coming out of the southern Rockies. Monday, that upper storm system kicks out and comes across the central Mississippi River Valley while the ridge moves off to the east over the Atlantic seaboard. And we see the front approaching us. I think for the most part, Monday will be, the daylight hours Monday will probably be dry. We'll see clouds increase and thicken up a little bit. And then by Tuesday, the upper storm system has rotated by nicely and is now into the eastern Great Lakes. So we're slowly coming under a ridge as the trough has gone by us, and so that should drag the front by, and we should be clearing out Tuesday afternoon, the rain ending Tuesday morning, and then we should be seeing some breaks in the clouds by afternoon. When we get out to Wednesday, the middle of the week, we're kind of in a bit of a zonal flow as we are between systems and we're transitioning, and we're being influenced by the high that is well to our northwest on that day at the surface. Thursday, we're beginning now to watch the next weather system take shape across Baja California and south of the Four Corners area as we're under a bit of a ridge on Thursday. Friday, that system kicks out across Texas. So Friday is going to be one of those days where we're going to see things change as moisture increases. We may even see some showers during the day as we get a bit of a warm front moving northward. But the main low is going to be over southeast Texas, surface low, so it's pretty far south. And so it looks like probably Friday night is going to be wet. By Saturday, that system is coming by us as we see the trough opening up a bit, and so that system is coming by us on Saturday, so I expect at least the first half of Saturday to be probably wet, but we may be drying out by the afternoon. And then by Sunday, we're coming under a weak ridging momentarily with kind of a double-barreled low. We've got a strong trough coming into the western Great Lakes, and then we've got a closed low in Southern California and Arizona. So it's no lack of action, and we can see that a surface low is beginning to take shape just to the south of the Four Corners area, and that would be the next weather system, which looks like it's going to come out around the 25th. So yesterday, the long range was expecting Christmas to be dry, but right now it looks like Christmas could be wet, and it would be warm with this pattern, but it would be turning colder as this nice, strong trough goes by. And we get out to the very end of the period around 372 hours, and wow, what another big system we see with another deep trough and a closed low over the Ohio River Valley, and that would promise some big weather possibilities for around the 28th and 29th of December. Well, that'll do it for the Weather Xtreme video for this Sunday morning. James Spann will be back with the next edition first thing on Monday morning. In the meantime, enjoy this day and Godspeed.